Hey there, savvy savers and global finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex money matters into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to deposit money from a U.S. bank to Standard Chartered in 2025. With international banking evolving rapidly, this process has become easier than ever, but it still requires some key precautions to avoid fees or delays. Whether you're funding an overseas account, supporting family abroad, or investing globally, this guide will have you transferring funds like a pro in no time. First things first, let's talk about the basics. You'll need accounts set up at both your U.S. bank, think Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, and Standard Chartered. Start by logging into your U.S. bank's online portal or app. Make sure your account is verified and you have all the necessary details for Standard Chartered, like their account number, SWIFT code, and routing information. In 2025, many banks have streamlined this with enhanced digital tools, so double-check for any new features, such as biometric verification or AI-assisted forms. Step 1. Gather your transfer details. You'll typically need the recipient's full name, address, and bank specifics. For international transfers, opt for a wire transfer via SWIFT or use services like ACH if available, but remember, cross-border fees might apply. Aim to use banks that partner with Standard Chartered to minimize costs. Next, initiate the transfer. In your U.S. bank's app, navigate to the Transfers or International Wire section. Enter the amount, select the currency, USD to your desired currency, and confirm the exchange rate. 2025 might bring more favorable rates due to updated regulations. Always review for any hidden fees. Some banks offer zero-fee options for the first transfer. Once submitted, keep an eye on the status. Transfers can take 1 to 5 business days, depending on the banks involved. Set up notifications to track progress and ensure everything goes smoothly. Finally, a few pro tips. Always use secure networks to protect your data, verify recipient details to prevent scams, and consider exchange rate fluctuations. Tools like apps from Z or Reuters can help. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll master depositing money from a U.S. bank to Standard Chartered in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.